Hello.
Westy!
Mate, what?
Yeah, oh, do you know who this is?
Yeah.
Oi, fucking Hermie doesn't believe that you used to go by the name of Chewbacca when you were at school. That's the truth, not a lie, isn't it?
Chewbacca?
Mate, you used to be Chewbacca in our recess. You must remember that.
What's going on about?
Oi, don't give me none of that, you cunt. Mate, you used to be Chewbacca.
Chewbacca at school.
What?
No one called me Chewbacca at school.
Mate, not cool. That fucking Nico that me and Harry straight, you were Chewbacca. That fantasy wrestling.
Nah, thanks for punching, mate, not Chewbacca.
Mate, you were Chewbacca.
When?
You were! Mate, stop trying to deny it, you cunt!
Where did you get it? I don't know what you're going on about, mate. I can't remember Chewbacca at all.
Oi, mate, sure do you remember? Fucking me and Jamie ran a wrestling website. Yeah? Do you remember that, yeah? And the wrestler that you were was Chewbacca.
I don't think so. I've got to go, it's not that.
Mate, you were!
I'll speak to lad, I've got to go.
Okay, bye.